a secret you regret telling someone? Senior year of high school, I got to school late and was hustling through the parking lot past the football field when I witnessed a linebacker from the football team performing a certain act on the quarterback. These two were not out, not even close. One of my friends had been in love with the quarterback for years, like turning down other guys because she was waiting for him to notice her kind of love. So, like an idiot, I swore her to secrecy before letting her know what I saw. I reminded her not to tell anyone. She said she wouldn't, and I honestly never thought she would. Her sister is gay, and she's always been super supportive of her, even convincing their conservative parents not to be dicks about it. She told everyone. Both guys just laughed it off like, oh yeah, Hunter and I are totally fucking. My friend said I saw them, but I denied it. My friend was branded a liar, and obviously, that was the end of that friendship. As soon as we graduated, these two guys came out as a couple.